Today we are going to make a railroad bike. Bike. We're going to make so hopefully
we'll be making a knife that looks something
like this. And yes, we have already made a few things, but this is a new video on blacksmithing.
So you can take a railroad spike like that, turn it into a tomahawk like that.
Yes. So, let's get into the video.
So the railroad spike's getting nice and hot. I'd say let's take it out and start beating it again. Spike's ready to come out now, so we can flatten it out and turn it into the shape of the knife. Best thing I have for tongs is some fixed pliers. Take it to the handle, lay it down, grab my cross peen, and I'll start. We're going to twist the handle on it soon. Once we get the blade beat out, it's definitely going to be a pretty wide and long blade. So when you want to make the blade go wide, you can use the cross peen like this and hammer. Or if you want to make it long, you can take a hammer like this with the cross peen.
By the way, only try this at home if you are with a trusted adult or if you have...
So we're not going to make you watch the whole process of beating the knife out. It's a good long process. It takes about an hour and a half for us, non-professionals. So we'll catch you back when the knife's almost done. So we got the knife looking kind of like a knife now. Starting to thin out too, a little bit. We got a lot more beating to go, but it's coming along. So here's some of the knives I've made so far. This was my first railroad spike knife right here. I think I done pretty good on it.
Yes.
This is like a little neck knife I tried making out of rebar. It turned out pretty good. Little tomahawk.
One you made for fun?
Yeah. This dagger I done just the other day. Made these two at the same time. This one's not finished. This one I'm giving away. Made this tomahawk today.
And I made this little knife today. It's not finished yet, but it's pretty good.
It's your first one too?
First one, yeah.
I made this cool little machete out of a bush axe blade. It was my great-grandpa's bush axe blade. Turned out pretty sturdy.
Yep.
Be real good. Got the railroad spike knife. Getting nice and red hot in the forge. So we'll take that out and start hammering on it. So we're gonna do some fine work on the blade. I do a lot of work on the grinder just because I'm not that skilled with the hammer yet. Then we're gonna take the chisel and cut a slot right in here for the twist. It makes it a lot easier when you're twisting to have a slot cut in it. So we're gonna go and twist the handle, give it that real iconic look. If I can keep from getting burnt by the dragon's breath. Bring it over to the vise, stick it in the vise. Hopefully right. Put it in there. We're gonna use a pipe wrench to twist. If it'll work.
Twisting it.
The vise twist. What are the odds? See, it's cooled down a lot now. One full rotation. If I can get it there. One full rotation.
Be careful with this part. Honestly, be careful. You need a lot of room for this stuff.
Rotation. One rotation.
Yep.
We got it. Done.
This is it cooling down right here, just to show you. And yep. So guys, there's a big storm coming in, so we're gonna have to call it quits for today, but tomorrow we are going to finish the knife. So we'll see you tomorrow.
And we put the nice twist on there, which I messed up a little bit. Trying to rush, I messed it up, bent the knife a little bit. But I think it looks okay. It's, I think, my third twist on a knife.
Tomorrow we are going to start grinding it down. So we'll see you.